Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my first lecture about OOPS and what is class, what is objects. So I started this practically how we implement the class. So first I write the class and the name of the class, for example item, and then it's the braces. This is my whole class. So this is I write the data private. This is the data, and this is access specifier private. Now I int a. This is the data of the type integer and public, and I just write the definition of the function void fun see out, and I show the message I am in the class. So this is the end of this functions, and see out a value is 10. So this is the class, and I write the function under the public, and this private mean if you write private under this, the whole data is private. It is secure. It cannot be accessed out this class, and it will be only accessed by this member function. It is called method. This function, or it is also called a member function or method. It accesses this data, and now, and this man. Thus I made the object item obj. This object. When I create this object, I can just call to these functions by this object obj dot. So what? Yes. So yes. So I call this function due to the reference of this object dot fun. So then when this function will be executed, I am the class and it will print the 10. How? I cannot direct access this value. For example, I will show you here. For example, if I write object dot a, for example, if I want to print C out object dot a, it gave me error. Because warning non-standard data cout was not yes. Using name space std. So it gave me error because I can access this private data due to the call of the member function fun. Now it will print. What? No match operators, see out name space std. Sorry. This is just I died the car and it will print yes. Yes. Now you click on this screen. I am in the class and it print 10. It is very easy, and we can write the whole data. Sorry.